Bob again, and it's Thursday morning. And we are heading up to Tooele Army Depot. We're heading up there to move something. There's me, Dave, and John. We're picking up stuff for Prime Machine in Salt Lake. Not really sure what it is we're getting. But anyway, we're going to go up there, we're going to load up some stuff and take it to Salt Lake. Okay, we got all loaded out there in Tooele, and now we got to head into Salt Lake and get this unloaded. Okay, that's the load. It's just that, whatever that is, and then that other piece over there. So it didn't weigh anything. It was just two pieces of fabricating tool, I guess. I don't know what it is. But it's a big old frame with a whole bunch of gadgets on it, and then it looks like the back part is another part that has, it like holds a wing or something, but I don't know, it's just some tools, machinery, so we'll go over and get it to Salt Lake. Well, we got here to Salt Lake. I gotta wait for the guy to get here now. Apparently he wasn't expecting us quite that quick. I'm here and the other guys are going to be here pretty quick, so I was hoping I could get here and get unloaded and out of the way, so we'll see how it goes. just got home. We ended up tarping my next load and getting it all ready, and I'm not leaving until Monday. Doesn't deliver till Tuesday. Just kind of do some stuff around home tonight and see what he comes up with for tomorrow. Since the garden boxes are all built, we're now working on the next part of this whole project, and that's going to be her she shack. We're starting off by getting the ground prepped, and I'm going to use those blocks for the foundation. We're just going to be off of the garden by a few, I think it's 26 feet. And then this is going to be 12 foot wide. Well, the main part is going to be 12 by 12 with a 4-foot porch. And these boards I just was using to get the blocks leveled and to get everything all set up. So we started, I got the layout where I wanted it. That corner up there is 12 feet from the property line. This is 15. And the reason it's that way is because the house is turned, and I wanted it to line up. As you can see, it's the garden boxes and everything is already lined up. So this is going to kind of finish that line. And then we're going to have the 12 by 12 room with the peak going the long way for the 12 by 12. And then we're going to have a 4-foot porch with it sloped off that way. So that should work out okay. We're gonna have a big door on the back here on this side, and that's where we'll drive the lawnmower in. And we'll have a man door in the middle there on the porch with 2 small windows on either side, and then the double doors back here, and then that's pretty much all we're going to have on it. So got the ground prep kind of done. Now I just need 14 more of those blocks so that I can have it supported properly underneath. And then we'll get some pressure treated lumber for the bottom, the bottom area there, and make the floor. Then we'll go on from there. Okay, I don't know if you can see it. I got all the holes pretty close to where I need them to be. So now I just got to get more block, and then we'll get a little bit of crushed rock or something to get the final level on all the holes, even the ones I've already got. So that frame gave me a really good reference point. So it's going to be 12 by 12 main shed area, and then I'm going to have a 4-foot porch. I was thinking about maybe cutting out another foot, but then that makes just a really narrow porch, and I think it's going to look a lot better with a 4, and that extra foot's not really going to give us much. Not much more room in the shed part. So the biggest problem I got to deal with is how am I going to shore up underneath there without making it too much of a wall. I've got some old railroad ties I could lay down there and kind of build up, and I may do that. Do one up close and then one down low. So we'll have to see what we come up with. That upper one's fine, it's just this side. So maybe I could do the railroad tie on either side and then have like another garden box right here in the front area and have the steps in the middle going up. Well, that'll finish up this week. We ended up not doing a whole lot towards the end of the week, but I got started on my Mother's Day present for my wife, and we'll continue to update you as we get down the road with that. But Hopefully it'll be done by the beginning of May. I think it's going to take a while to get it completely done, but we ought to get it up and she'll be able to use it. And next week, it sounds like we got some fun stuff to do, so I already got my load ready, and we'll start off with that one. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.